Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to need to go back to your Craigslist account that you just created, and you should have had a notepad with your Craigslist login that you created. So you're going to go ahead and copy and paste that in and the password in, and then log into the Craigslist account. Next, what you're going to do is click on the high-end tab where it says Craigslist, and you're going to click where it says create a posting. We're going to create a new posting. Now, keep in mind, you're going to keep this other tab open. You should be on the final step, which is posting your ad. All the instructions of posting the ad is listed here. You can actually read through it, but realistically, you're just going to follow the video. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to post in for sale by owners. Sometime we might change that. So even though you're watching this video, always reference where it's telling you to post it. Right here it says what type of posting is this. It says for sale by owner. We could change that, so always check there where the post. Next, you're going to select computer by owner, and as I said before, that could change, so you're going to always check where area post that. It will be all listed here, and right here it says categories computer by owner. Everything that you need to know about posting is going to be here, but realistically, you can follow the video, which is going to be the easiest part. So let's not waste any time. So where do you get the posting title at? You go back to the instructions page, and you scroll down, and you're going to see a whole list of 2 columns of titles. So before you do any of that, you're going to click this link right here. Of course, you're not going to close this. It's going to open up a new window. This is randomize.org. It randomizes text. So I want you to use a different title each time. So in order to do that, I need you to make your own decision. So you can use this column. If there's a third column, you pick which column you want to use. So I say, okay, I want to use this column. I'm going to copy all the titles in this column and go over to randomize.org. I'm going to paste it in here. Then I'm going to click the randomize button. And what that's going to do is randomly randomize the order of the titles for they can be random. And then you're going to pick the first one. And then when it comes up to the top, you're just going to pick it. And then you're going to actually go back to Craigslist, and that's going to be your title. Now, when it comes to price, you're going to pick any number between 1 and 9. So I'm going to pick 8. That title is just a placeholder. And of course, you're going to put the city that you're actually in. So I'm just going to put a fake city, but you're going to pick your actual city you're in, and you're going to pick the zip code that correlates with that city. Okay. Next, you're going to put the description in. You're going to go back to the posting instructions, and you're going to go where it says description, upper body text. You're going to copy everything that's right there, just that section. And you're going to go back to Craigslist. You're going to post it here. Once you do that, you're going to make sure you put some spaces between here, about 3 or 4 or 5 of them. And you're going to keep the marker about right here. And you're going to go back to the instructions, and you're going to go where it says lower body text description. This is the same thing as the title. It could be 1, 2, 3, or 4 rows. You're going to randomly pick which row you want to use. So I'm going to pick the first row. I'm going to copy all the text in the first row. And then I'm going to go back to randomize.org. And I'm going to click go back. It's going to take you back to the beginning. You're going to delete the old text and put the new text in, which is going to be the list that we selected on the second section. And we're going to randomize that list. In this case, on the second section, we're going to pick the first 15 items. It should already be randomized for you. You're going to copy them. You're going to go here, and you're going to paste them here. So at this point, you're going to have all of this. This section right here, posting details, which is going to be highlighted in red. You're not going to change anything or add anything in this section. Scroll down here. The only thing you're going to click is no reply. Other than that, you're not going to put anything or change anything in this section. And then location info, you're not going to put anything or change anything in this section. You're going to click continue. It's going to bring you to a map area. You're not going to change or add anything. You're just going to click continue. Then you're going to ask you to go to an image area. We're going to add 3 images to this text. In order to get those images, I'm going to show you where to go. You go back to the instructions. You scroll down toward the bottom. It's going to say download attachments. The way you do that is you click on the attachment. It's going to open a new window. Then you right click and save it somewhere you know where you can find it. Save it on your desktop. Each attachment is going to be saved, right? So you're going to click the first one, save it. Click the second one, save it. Click the third one, save it. Once it's saved onto your computer, you're going to go back to the ad. You're going to click add images, and you're going to add 1, 2, 3. They should be named some random text. It doesn't matter. Just select the 3 images, and you're going to add them. Once they're added, the one thing I want you to notice is out of these 3 images, one is going to have red text on it. It's going to have a phone number on it. I don't know if you can see it's right here. You're going to make sure that one's first. You're going to always move it over to the first one, so it'll be displayed first. Then you're going to click done with image. At this point, you're going to get an overview of the ad that you're posting. So you did everything correctly. You're going to click publish. Once you click publish, it's going to tell you to verify your account. You're going to need either a cell phone number that's yours or talk to a family member who have a cell phone, because in order for the ad to actually go live, you have to verify the account. Just do that real quick, get it over with, then you'll be all set and start this job, officially the flyer job, and we'll be able to send you your small account activation PayPal payment for posting this ad for us and show us that you're serious about this job. So go ahead and click publish. Okay, you have, now it's telling you, hey, you're about to publish this ad, but you need to sign into your email account to confirm that you're the right person. So you're going to go back to the email account that you created, gmail.com. So you're going to go back to the email account you already created. Remember, the login to it should be in your notepad right here. Is right here, and with the password, you're going to log in and you're going to see a little email from Craigslist. And it's basically saying verify your account, that you're creating this new ad. And you're going to go ahead and click on this link right here. At this point, it's going to tell you to verify the account. It's going to ask you for a phone number. You're going to use your cell phone number or a friend's cell phone number. I'm going to be using a cell phone number. Remember, if it doesn't accept your cell phone number, if you already had a Craigslist account, then get a friend's or family members or loved one's cell phone number to activate the account real quick and get this over with. So you're going to put the number in, you're going to click send verification, and you're going to wait till you receive a text message to your phone. Sometimes it doesn't come immediately. Sometimes it takes a few minutes. Just be patient, but the number will come. Okay, just got the number. I'm going to type it in. Make sure you do all this at once and don't wait. Once I submit the verification, it shows that your account has been created. What you want to do is click go to return to account page to see the ad. It should take a second for the ad to show up in active. And there's your ad right here. You should see that it's active and ready to go. You can also click on display to see the ad. And at this point, it takes about an hour to 2 hours for the ad to show up in the system. We do have to verify that the ad did go live. We're going to do that, and then we're going to send out your payment, and then you'll be officially set for the job. So at this point, you have completed the posting ad, and what you're going to do is scroll back up to the top and click the next button right here.